Hello friends and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to review these fake nails purchased from Flipkart. I had placed an order from the brand Like Up Nails from Flipkart and its cost is from 170 to 250 rupees. I exactly forgot how much I paid, but I think I got scammed because when I opened the parcel I saw that the brand was something else, and also I realized later on that this was a brand which was made in China, and the brand that I had selected, nowhere it was written made in China, but unluckily I didn't have the return option, so I had to keep it. So this was the brand which I received after ordering the Like Up nails, and I was a little bit disappointed, but they gave me the 3 sticky tabs as it was shown, and the nails were also the transparent ones which I had ordered, only the brand name was different. And when I saw the nails, they were looking pretty sturdy and good enough. This one is the toe nail which I placed on my toe. These are a little bit long, but they are looking like they are of a good quality. And these are the nails for my fingers, so I just placed them roughly to see whether they are fitting also or not. And roughly when I placed the nails, I saw that the size was kind of okay, but the only thing was that I felt I was scammed because I had ordered another brand and they sent me another brand and I couldn't return it also. But after using it for about 6-7 months, I think these are okay nails, even though the brand is different. They are long lasting and they look pretty also. So let me show you in detail about these nails. And you also have this packet where the nails are arranged size wise, so you can remove and keep them in the proper groove provided in the box. This set of nails did have the 100 nails which was written, and it was strong enough. And before using these nails you have to prep the nails a little bit, so let's see what all things we need to do. So the tips were a little bit jagged, so I just filed them off a little bit, and also near the cuticle area I curved the nail a little bit, and some of the nails I filed the sides as they were too broad. So this was the prep that I did, and then I chose the correct size of the sticky tab for my nail. Then you need to remove the sticky tab from the paper, and once you remove the sticky tab, it will have glue on one side that you have to place on your nail. Now make sure to place it a little bit away from the cuticle area, because when we apply the nail we'll be pushing it upwards. So press it down and peel off the top cover also, then press down the nail and push the glue towards the cuticle and hold it down firmly for some time, and it will be stuck properly on your nails. And once your nails are done, you can paint them any color that you want. Like over here I have painted multiple colors on all the nails, and this is how it looks. It looks really pretty and looks like natural nails only. And if you want, you can also do nail art easily on these nails, because these nails are a little bit long and it's really easy to do some drag marble nail art. So over here I'm going to show you one really easy design. So you just have to draw 2 to 3 lines of different colors on the wet base coat of your nail. You can use any colored polish as the base color, and then give 2-3 lines of different polishes, and then using a needle or a pin or a toothpick you have to simply swirl the design like I'm doing side to side. And finally, if you want, you can pull up the design so that it gives this kind of a look. So these are really good options if you are unable to grow your nails long, or if you keep breaking your nails. Now how to remove these nails? For that you need warm water, add a few drops of coconut oil or any oil and a little bit of hand wash or shampoo, and then just dip your fingers in this warm water. After a few seconds you can try taking out the nail using an orange stick from the sides. If it does not come out easily, dip the nails again in this warm water with the oil and the soap, and keep on trying removing the nail. After a few minutes it will easily come off. So this you have to keep on doing. Put the nail in the warm water and allow the hot water to weaken the glue, and then just try to push out with an orange stick from the side. If it does not come out, don't push too much, otherwise it might damage your nail. Just dip it in the water for a little bit longer and your nail will come off easily. You can see the glue is coming out, and in this manner you can easily remove your fake nails, and these nails can be reused. The glue can easily come out. Just keep on dipping the nail in the warm water and removing the glue using the orange stick or with your fingers, and these nails can easily be reused. So in this manner you can wear these nails for a couple of days, and if you want you can use nail glue also and stick the nails. Afterwards all you need to do is just oil your nail a little bit and rub the oil in, and in this manner you can easily use fake nails whenever you want if you have short nails. So this is all about the Flipkart fake nail set that I got online. This is all I have for you in this video. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.